Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a vital topic that impacts your heart health significantly. Join us as we explore 7 essential vitamins crucial for naturally maintaining clear and healthy arteries. We'll uncover the roles these vitamins play, and their natural sources, and provide you with easy DIY recipes to incorporate them into your routine. Arteries in the human body. Arteries, the robust blood vessels in your body, serve as the pioneers of blood flow. They carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to various parts of your body, ensuring every cell receives the necessary nutrients for optimal functioning. With around 60,000 miles of arteries in the average human body, their health is paramount to overall well-being. 1. Vitamin A, guardian of arterial integrity. Vitamin A, a potent antioxidant, safeguards artery walls from oxidative stress. It maintains arterial elasticity and cellular health. Discover this vitamin in natural sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. Benefits. 1. Strengthens the immune system to fight infections effectively. 2. Enhances vision and supports eye health. 3. Promotes skin health by aiding in cell repair and regeneration. DIY recipe: carrot and spinach salad, radiant nourishment. Craft a vibrant salad by combining shredded carrots and fresh spinach leaves. Elevate its taste with a zesty lemon vinaigrette, infusing it with a potent vitamin A boost. 2. Vitamin C, architect of strong arteries. Vitamin C, a formidable antioxidant, orchestrates collagen production to strengthen arteries and reduce plaque buildup. Embrace citrus fruits like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers as your vitamin C allies. Benefits. 1. Speeds up wound healing and supports tissue repair. 2. Enhances iron absorption, combating anemia. 3. Boosts the immune system, reducing the risk of illnesses. DIY recipe: citrus bliss smoothie, tangy vitality. Blend orange slices, strawberries, and a touch of pomegranate juice to create a revitalizing smoothie rich in vitamin C, supporting arterial health. 3. Vitamin E, defender of smooth blood flow. Vitamin E acts as a natural blood thinner, ensuring unobstructed blood flow. Nuts, seeds, and leafy greens are your natural vitamin E havens. Benefits. 1. Nourishes skin health by countering free radicals. 2. Supports cognitive function and may reduce Alzheimer's risk. 3. Enhances overall antioxidant defense. DIY recipe: Nutty Crunch snack, wholesome gratification. Craft a mix of almonds, sunflower seeds, and dried apricots for a satisfying vitamin E-packed snack that fuels arterial well-being. 4. Vitamin K, sentinel of arterial strength. Vitamin K prevents calcium buildup in arteries, safeguarding against arteriosclerosis. Luscious leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli are your vitamin K sanctuaries. Benefits. 1. Supports bone health by aiding calcium utilization. 2. Assists in blood clotting and wound healing. 3. May contribute to cognitive function and brain health. DIY recipe: super green smoothie, verdant refinement. Blend kale, spinach, a banana, and a splash of almond milk to concoct a green smoothie brimming with vitamin K, fortifying your arteries. 5. Vitamin D, guardian of cardiovascular vigor. Vitamin D regulates blood pressure and tames inflammation, promoting cardiovascular wellness. Bask in the sunlight and indulge in fortified foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. Benefits. 1. Supports bone health by aiding calcium absorption. 2. Modulates mood, reducing the risk of depression. 3. Enhances the immune system, contributing to overall health. DIY recipe: Sunny Salmon Delight, nutrient-rich gratification. Grill salmon and pair it with sautéed spinach for a dual dose of vitamin D and K, elevating both taste and arterial health. 6. Vitamin B6, conductor of arterial harmony. Vitamin B6 tunes homocysteine levels, safeguarding arteries. Poultry, fish, whole grains, and bananas are your vitamin B6 reservoirs. Benefits. 1. Supports neurotransmitter synthesis, enhancing brain function. 2. Regulates metabolism and energy production. 3. May alleviate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. DIY recipe Bountiful Breakfast Bowl, morning sustenance. Top whole grain oats with sliced bananas and nuts for a vitamin B6 rich breakfast nurturing arterial well-being. 7. Vitamin B12, nurturer of arterial vitality. Vitamin B12 sustains nerve function and red blood cell production. Fish, meat, eggs, and dairy usher this crucial vitamin to your arteries. Benefits. 1. Supports DNA synthesis and cellular health. 2. Enhances energy production, combating fatigue. 3. May reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. DIY recipe Protein-packed omelet, nutrient-infused elegance. Whisk eggs with spinach and cheese for an omelet that embraces vitamin B12's vitality while tantalizing your taste buds. Conclusion. As we conclude this enlightening journey, remember that these 7 essential vitamins serve as your allies in ensuring healthy arteries. By integrating these natural sources and savoring our delectable DIY recipes, you're championing a robust cardiovascular life. Prior to significant dietary changes, consult a healthcare professional. If this knowledge resonates with you, be sure to like, subscribe, and continue embarking on your journey to health and well-being with us. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening adventure.